Okay y'all, so first I'm just starting off with this palette that I have and using that blue and putting it right on my lid. While you're doing this, you want to make sure you blend the blue out really good so when you put new colors on, it won't be so splotchy. Next, I'm going to be tapping into my Juvia's Place palette and taking this bluish, grayish color. I forgot what it's called. I can't take at the top of my head, but I'm just putting that right in my crease where the blue is. You just want to blend these two colors together so that they blend well together so that once you're done with your look, it will look well put together. Next, I'm just going to be tapping into my concealer palette and cutting my crease. Now that I've cut my crease, I'm taking that pink color if my palette will open and just putting it right where I cut my crease at to get ready for the glitter. Next, I'm taking that same bluish gray color I put in my crease to blend it with the pink.
Now I got cars, now I got clothes, now I got money. Now I got crowds screaming my name, saying they love me. You get real close.
Before I take that pink glitter you guys just saw in a previous clip, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. glitter primer to set my lid. Now just taking my brush and dipping it into the pink glitter. You don't want to do it too much to where you have too much glitter. You want to do it enough so you have enough to cover your eyelid. Next, I'm just going to be taking some mascara. Right after that, I'm just going to be putting on foundation and getting ready to highlight. Next, I'm just going to be taking my highlighter by Ruby Kisses and putting it on my cheeks, my chin, and my nose and my forehead. To finish off this look, I'm just going to be taking my lip liner in the shade Espresso, and I'm just taking my clear lip gloss by Ruby Kisses and putting it on my lips.